Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I kind of want to buy a new car or a new project. Let me explain. All right, slow down everybody. Let me explain what I'm talking about. So I have to tell a bit of a story and then we'll get there together. So about 2 weeks ago, I went on a family vacation, took all my girls somewhere nice. They're all getting along. That's all a dad wants. Remember, I'm a father of four, have my wife, I'm outnumbered. We have a female dog. I think a lot of you might know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm scrolling through social media and this post catches my eye and it's from Ed Bolian. So VinWiki, big shout out to VinWiki, otherwise this video wouldn't get made. And also a company called Sway. So go to sway.us, check them out. They're an outfitting company. So both of those entities came together to provide an opportunity, which I'm going to speak about right now. That opportunity is to buy a cheap Lamborghini Gallardo for $35,000 US, but there's a catch. You need to do a post like I'm doing right now on what you would do that would make it cool and interesting if they gave somebody like me the opportunity to purchase it. Having this YouTube channel has taught me one very important thing. It's allowed me to inspire others to try DIY projects themselves, give them the confidence to, do things maybe they weren't normally comfortable with. Now, I have to make a lot of mistakes. It's all through trial and error. I'm naturally inquisitive, so I'm willing to tackle these things. I do have a limit, of course, but I think that that's what would make this really cool and interesting for the viewers is somebody like me who is, just your average guy trying to fix or bring back to life or tinker or customize 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo. Could be a lot of fun. I know there's going to be a lot of, philanthropic submissions where people are going to let, hundreds of people drive their car and test it out. Of course, I'm up for all those things. That would be cool. That would be interesting. And I do have a little bit of a platform, very small one on my YouTube channel to showcase that. But of course, I'd be going to all the cars and coffee that I could reach and all the shows that I'm invited to, maybe even the ones I'm not invited to. But what I think would be cool is pick up that Lamborghini in the States, drive it back. I know the top doesn't work and the heater doesn't work. So hopefully the seasonality of when you're allowed to pick it up, if I won, of course, and had the opportunity to purchase it, I could drive it back and not die, because in Canada, you can die from the cold. It's a real thing. But assuming that I was able to live and drive it back, of course, I document and share that with all my viewers and anybody else that's interested in watching, as well as from the littlest things to, removing a headlight to change a bulb, whatever it needs, and it needs a lot, I'm going to share with you. It takes me right back to Tavares. I don't know if you watched his channel, but he had a Lamborghini Spyder, a Gallardo as well, 1,000 things wrong with it, and it took him many months, if not a couple of years, I think, to get it to where he wanted it to. That's the journey I want to take you on. I think that's interesting. I think that's cool for the people that like to tinker and want to use their mind and troubleshoot and figure things out and expand on that community and share their stories. And I think the people that know that interact with me right now through my, my small channel is that I answer every question that I possibly can, provided I feel I have the ability to. So I think that could be cool and interesting. And I really hope that that resonates with you. Because the automotive community resonates with me, and I think I could really take this project and we could have some fun with it. So if I get your vote, that would be great, but I need to be a finalist first. So hopefully I get into that group. But if not, either way, I was glad to say my piece. I need to thank Sway and VinWiki again for the opportunity for allowing this submission to happen. Please leave a comment down below. I've already started to research things that I could do to the vehicle. I've already started the research parts and some of the repairs that it needs, because that's the guy that I am. So please in the comments below, put any ideas that you have, any commentary on this video, any support you could give would be great. Give it a big like, of course, big thumbs up. Those go a long way. But again, thanks for the opportunity. And I hope to be able to make this purchase. Thank you.